Hello, my name is Kate and welcome to E-Style Real Estate Agency channel. Today we are in Los Altos, Orihuela Costa, and I'm going to show you two-bedroom, two-bathroom apartment with this very bright and very colorful urbanization dream hills. Here at the front we have a very large terrace, about 22 square meters, and here you can use it as additional living space, dining space, or maybe a mini garden. It's a south-facing terrace with extra dining area at the front of the apartment. And here we have very bright living space and dining area with a view outside to the south-facing terrace, nice furniture and everything you need for everyday living. The apartment ready to move in. Next to the living room, we have a separate kitchen with good quality materials, lots of cabinets for everyday use, and an extra terrace at the back of the kitchen. It could be as a barbecue area or extra storage space. Bathroom with a walk-in shower and one of the bedrooms next to each other. In the corridor we have a double fitted wardrobe with lots of storage and space, and one more bathroom with a bath inside. And here we have double bedroom with double bed, with lots of natural light and a view to the back of the terrace. Today I've shown you beautiful apartments in the Dream Hill urbanization Orihuela Costa with two-bedroom, two-bathroom and a very large south-facing terrace. Within a short walking distance you've got a very large supermarket ALDI, Yusk and bars and restaurants, beach of Lasagna and Playa Flamenca and Punta Prima within a very short driving distance. Also golf courses and international British school at Limanar within a 5-10 minutes drive. Apartment is available now for 157,000 euros. If you need more details, please contact our office. Thank you very much for watching us. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you next time.